Hi, I'm Mark Dewey, Senior Sales Engineer here at Purple Platypus, and today I'm presenting the J850 Core 3D printer. The J850 Core is a great addition or an upgrade to our existing legacy customers out there with Edens and Connexes. The J850 Core is a 3-material printer. Materials are up to 50% less expensive than our legacy materials, and the speed is up to 80% faster with a 27 micron layer or a 14 micron layer for high quality. So for parts that you get in the new Tough 1 engineering material, and we can build it with overmolded. Tough 1 is also available in black. And of course we can also add clear into the mix with 3 material choices. So if you're looking for a very fast turnaround on your prototypes and an easy way to bring it in-house, come and see us here at Purple Platypus and I'll show you the J850 Core 3D printer.